Hi, I'm Cathy, and today I am sharing an organizer that I purchased online from the original club to fit into my brand new Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and this is the medium size. I haven't used it yet because I didn't want to put anything in it. I didn't want to risk staining the interior until I received the organizer, and I just thought that you might be interested to see how the organizer fits into the Neverfull. Before I pan in for a close-up, I would really like it if you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. I'm trying to grow my channel, and by you subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up, it really does help me. I ordered the organizer off of Etsy, and the company was super quick to ship it to me. They shipped it out, I think, the next day. I ordered it on a Saturday. It came from Turkey. It went to Memphis, Tennessee, and then it made its way to me through Ottawa and Ontario. It did get held up at customs for a few days, so I think it took about 7 or 8 days for me to actually receive it after placing the order. And it just came in an envelope, padded envelope, and it comes in this little dust bag. And this is what it looks like. I will mark the particular model in the description box below, but I decided to go with this one. It has a large outer pocket, and then on the inside it has a pocket here, a pocket here, and then it's the same thing on the other side with pockets, and then there's these 2 water bottle holders. There is the tag that says the original club, and they're actually handcrafted in Turkey. This is the color cherry because the inside of my Neverfull is red. If you haven't seen my first video on my Neverfull, I will link it in a card, but I have it in the Damier bin, and that is the interior. Beautiful red interior, and the pouch that came with it. So basically, I'm just gonna pop the organizer in there, and as you can see, it fits really, really well. It's not tight, like there is a little bit of room on the end. But once I get all my stuff in there, it does give the purse a little bit of a boxy look, but I'm okay with that. I actually don't mind it. So I'm 5'4", and this is what it looks like on me. I think it looks okay. So I'm super excited to start wearing it. Yeah, I need to fill it up now with the stuff for my purse, but that's what it looks like. I'll probably close it with this little closure thing, and so I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this video on the organizer, and as I said, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I will be doing a follow-up video on how I pack my Neverfull, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts on the Neverfull after I've used it for a while. So thanks for tuning in today. Remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.